evening, guys. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are. My bed bench is here. Remember when I did the video on the luxurious beddings? Please go and watch the video. I was also looking for a bed bench. It's finally here and I want to unbox it with you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Please give it a like and subscribe. So let's unbox the bed bench with you. It's also a storage, guys. The best thing about this is that it's a storage. Oh, I love it. It's a win. Because my bed is so high, sometimes when I want to sit and even have a cup of tea or wine, a glass of wine, it gets hectic. But with this, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So let me show you up close how it looks. So I can rest here, maybe watch something. Like now I'm watching Lois Maya, and maybe I don't want to lie on the bed. So this one is so good, but most importantly, it's a storage. Look at that. I can put so many things here, so many things, and I'm in love with it already. And it's very stylish. Look at the detail here. The detail here is just like the detail on my headboard. So that's okay. And then, what did I want to say? Oh, something. Tell me why these bed benches are so expensive, guys. Very expensive. Check out the price in. I bought this from Odds and End. And I didn't even think it would cost half of what I paid. The first time I went to check, I was so shocked. I didn't buy it. I went to ask other places and even checked other furniture. I didn't expect to pay even half of what I paid. Like, this thing is so expensive. Yes, I understand it's imported. This one is imported. It's not locally made. So the first time I started looking for this bed bench or ottoman, I went to so many places. I even went to a local foodie who could have made it for me, and he also quoted very high price. And I actually chose a design and he made it. But when I went to see what he made, I said no, it wasn't what I want. It didn't come out the way I did. figured in my head. So I had to go at a loss because I had already paid half. Luckily, when I went to check it out, there was a lady who was also doing something in the furniture shop and she liked it. So she offered to pay, but at a lower price, meaning I still went at a loss. So I just stopped that and started walking around furniture stores all around, Furniture Palace, the one in Riverside. I went to TAC, the one in Lavington, and still I couldn't find something that I really wanted. So when I checked odds and end and I saw this and I saw the price, it was still high, but at least this one serves the purpose. I can put on my shoes or do whatever I want to do here, and I can store some things inside here. It's also a storage.